Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. Then again 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. Now minus 8 multiply minus 8 is equal to 64. Okay, but 64 is wrong answer, is not correct answer. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Before solve this problem correctly, please comment your answer, what you get. Okay, now let's solve this problem correctly. So by using a PEMDAS rule, so PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis is equal to 1 minus 9. Now 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. Okay, now here is multiplication. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Here is subtraction. Okay, so 1, now minus 9 multiply minus 8 is equal to plus 72. Now 1 plus 72 is equal to 73. Okay, so the correct answer is 73. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.